Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2001 Chevy Corvette. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 5.7 V8 pushing out 360 horsepower and 350 pounds of torque. For wheels we got 17-inch black with red pinstripes in the front, 18-inch in the rear staggered. The tires are in good condition. A red leather interior, 4-speed automatic transmission, a removable top. Coming around back, we've got our Corvette badging, nice quad Borla exhaust. Coming up front, we've got power windows, Bose sound system, power seats. The seats are still in great condition. Hopping in, we've got a nice leather steering wheel, our radio, our climate control, 4-speed automatic transmission. If you'd like to view more photos of the Chevy Corvette, check out feldmanimports.com.